Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to Morgellons discussion and microscopy videos. I'm your host Jeremy Murphy, and today we're going to be taking a look at the unboxing of the Ledger Stax. This episode is brought to you by Morgellons Coin and the new Morgellons movement.
Alright, we're back, and the first thing that struck me when I got this package was the quality of the cardboard. As you can see, this is an intricate design, and the labeling is very adept. So, let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to open that right there, and strong glue on this package. Right? Yeah, I mean, just opening it up makes you feel like a man. Oh, wow, there he is. This is it. This is the Ledger Stax. Wow, that's cool. So, I don't even really know what to say. I mean, it's like, it's a box, and inside that box was this box. So, all right, it's like the Apple products. They got the things over here with the tabs. We're going to tear them open. Totally screw up our resale value. I wonder if I can, like, save these and get them reapplied. There we go. All right, so I got one. Gently spin the box and cut my fingernails so I don't hard to drill them. So there's two. All right, guys, we're halfway there. Here we go. Let's go ahead and do it this way. Okay, come on. Open up. Come on up. Yeah. Okay, bolt it up already. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh, no, man, that is. Ooh. All right, here we go. Look at that, guys. The Ledger Stax. Wicked. So we got our two tabs, all right, and we've got our device. So let's do it this way. Okay, and we're gonna use this. Okay, so this, guys, this is a piece of cardboard, but it's nice. This is very nice, and it fits inside the case. So I'm not sure how to operate this, but it's nice. So thank you, Ashley. This is cool. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video. I hope everybody's going to have a great day. And don't stay out too late tonight. You got to get your sleep in there. We'll catch up with y'all after a while. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, give us a page, and we will talk to you soon.
All right, y'all, let's find out what's actually going on with this thing. This is actually a lot smaller than I was thinking. I know I've got big hands, but this thing is like pretty tiny, so we'll go ahead and take this thing out again. Real cute on the cardboard ledger there. This is magnetic right off the bat. That's what's going on there. A little bit of, I don't know, it's got some fuzz on there, but it's coming off actually. So got the Ledger logo right there up top. Looks very sharp. Okay, we're gonna put that off to the side. It says right here, welcome to Ledger. I think that's the scan to go ahead and get your device registered. Go ahead and pull this out and see what's going on here. Okay, it says welcome to Ledger. Scan or visit ledger.com to get started. It says it's a cable, all right? And so we'll go ahead and open this box. God, I hope I don't tear this thing open. Oh, I hate these. Come on, man, come on. Yes! All right, so got it open, and wow, damn. I mean, I'm used to the C cables, but holy crap, this is like, it's like, I don't know how to explain it, like a premium feeling USB-C cable. It don't feel flimsy. It feels like you could take it to hell and use it to climb your way back. So, vitamin C cable, it's right there. Right. Did not tear the box up. Very proud of that. That's nice. All right. So next, I guess, let's see, I don't know. Let's open this stuff first. We'll take this off, put it offside. Okay, so we got the recovery sheet and documents. Let's do the recovery sheet first. Well, I'm going to trip out if there's like a bunch of passwords on here, like the whole key combination. What does it say? Secret recovery phrase. Do I want to open this on camera? It's blank. Okay, but that's cool as hell. They got that in there so you can write down your recovery phrases and have them on like a hard storage. That's cool. Very cool. What does that say about no picture? Afraid of losing it? Get ledger.com/recover. Don't know what that's all about with the no camera. Don't lose it. Don't share it. Don't photograph it. Hell yeah, that makes sense. Don't ever do that craziness. Let's see what else is in here. Secret recovery phrase. Secret. Are these all the same? 1, 2, 3, 24. Okay. So it looks like all three of these are the same. Very nice, though, that they included that in the package here. I'm definitely going to be using this for a couple things. Okay, so we'll get that over here. Very cool. The documents, let's check them out. Okay, so that's pretty cool. It says free from compromise. I don't know if that's like a sticker. Oh, there are stickers. Holy crap. Let's see. Your crypto, your choice. New to crypto, already own crypto. It feels like a sticker, y'all, but I can't really. It's like the back feels like a sticker. I don't know. It's really high quality. I mean, it feels like really high quality card stock, though. So that's nice. I really appreciate that. Not as nice as the vitamin C cable, but the stickers are slamming. Man, I love some stickers. Wow. Hell yeah. Look at that. I'm going to stick the hell out of these things. Yeah. All right. And let's see what we got here. Regulatory use care. I don't know what case. This is a very nice document. And we looked at it. All right. So now let's get to the main thing, which is going to be the actual ledger Stax itself. We're going to put it inside the thing here. So let's pull this guy out. Okay, wait, we got one more thing in there. Let's see. Okay, the recovery key. I don't know too much about this, but I just heard about it the other day. And so I guess this is an NFC that you store your keys in. And then in case the shit hits the fan or whatever, you get this guy. I'm not sure what scenario that's going to be optimal for, but very interested to get that set up and use it. So just like with the Apple stuff, the Apple products, Samsung, Motorola, all them, you got the nice, it's your new thing, peel your thing off your thing and feel like a king. So let's do it. And ba-ding. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this thing is supposed to be like it's on right now. Like the reason why it says welcome to Ledger Stax and trust yourself is because the device is on and is powering it to say that currently. Let me get this up to the camera here so you can see it. Okay, and so I'm going to try to turn this guy on. It's got a button here. So on the side, it's got a button. On the bottom, it has the vitamin C port. And then on the side, it's got that cool. So can we get the camera to pick that up? Sorry, team. I am so sorry about that. So, and then that's it. So let's go ahead and hit that button here. Just going to hold it down, I guess. One. Oh, shit. I just tapped it and it came on. Wow. Holy crap. This thing is cool as hell. So, yeah, it's doing its thing here. Okay. Your crypto and digital assets are stored on the blockchain. To own and manage these assets, you need the private keys linked to them. Tap to continue. Ledger Stax generates and protects your private keys. Use Ledger Stax to securely review and sign transactions. Very nice. To buy, send, swap, and stake any crypto and manage your Ledger Stax, use the Ledger Live app, which we'll be downloading to set this up. And that's it, guys. I mean, well, I guess there's one other thing we could do. We're going to tap this. Okay, so it goes, when you tap the button, it goes into the mode. There's oh, man, I hope the camera can pick this up. It's got the little battery indicator there. I'm going to try to hold this up to the camera and see if I can show you a close-up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put it inside the case. Try not to mess up those paper tabs. So, let's see. I guess because we want that button in. And then, I don't know if that's right or not, guys. Maybe I got it upside down. See, I don't want to stick it. Oh, you do. That's weird. Okay, so I was thinking that. See, that doesn't really make a lot of sense because you can't see the binder on the outside, but that's how that works. Because I tried to put it in reverse, and the magnets didn't work, and I was like, what the heck? But they work very well like this. It's just you can't see the side when it's closed. So that's interesting. Something to think about if you're looking to buy the Ledger Stax. Again, I want to thank Ashley Decans on X for allowing me to experience this, and this is great. It's been a great experience. This is going to be a lot of fun setting this thing up and putting everything together. Y'all give her a follow on X, and if you like this video, feel free to give us a like, share this with your friends. Join us in the comments down below so we can talk about this new, exciting technology. Thank you, Morgellons Coin and the new Morgellons Movement for sponsoring this video.
Okay, y'all, so I was getting ready to put the camera away and charge the device here. And as soon as I plugged it in, I was like, no, I got to plug the camera back up and show you guys this because this is just way too cool. So you see the device down there, the indicator light about the battery. We're going to go ahead and plug it in with this premium. I can't even describe how premium this vitamin C cable feels, but it is just chic. So watch. In real time, we're going to plug it in. Look at that. 75% right there in black and off-white. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below. We're going to be showing you some